In today's fast-changing world, electrical systems must keep pace with evolving protection needs. Systems that adapt instantly to diverse application. EasyPact NW with adaptive protection. When lives are at stake, as with fire pumps, even a moment of interruption is crucial. Uninterrupted performance is essential. To meet system requirements, disabling ground fault protection helps prevent nuisance tripping. Extended delay setting enables improved coordination, letting downstream breakers trip first and improving uptime. EasyPact NW with adaptive protection. Tailored safety for every need, every time.